Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So in today's video, I'm going to talk about what I get all the time. And that is, how can I build credit in my business? So I know that a lot of you may not have perfect credit. We all get it. We've all been there. But you want to separate yourself from your business in all kinds of ways. And one of the ways you want to do that is when it comes to building your business credit. So the first thing you want to do is actually make sure that you have incorporated your business. You want to be an LLC, you want to be an S Corp, a C Corp, a partnership, but you want to separate the businesses so that it's a different entity from you. The second thing is you want to go online and find out what your credit score is. Understand from the beginning what your personal credit is, and then see if you have anything listed on your business. You can go to various websites that actually give you business credit. The next thing you want to make sure you do is you want to look at building trade lines. Trade lines are when you're looking at being a vendor and you want to actually start getting business and getting business credit. So you want to get business, like go to a supply store or someplace where you're interested in doing business. And instead of using your personal or using your credit card, start asking, can you build business credit? Do an invoice where you have to pay over time, pay it early, and make sure that they're reporting this to the credit agencies. Once you do that for a significant amount of time, you will then start to build business credit that's going to be completely separate from your personal credit. And what this is going to allow you to do is be able to take out small loans in the future so that way you can have a nice amount of resources for business when it comes to supplies, equipment, payroll, so much more. So get started with building your business credit and separating it from your personal. If you want to learn more, then make sure you actually come to my free masterclass where I go over everything you need to do to start and scale your cleaning business to get to what? Six figures and beyond. Pow! So make sure you click the link to register, bring pen, paper, and make sure you're ready to learn. I look forward to seeing you there. So until next time, be safe. Take care. Bye-bye.